In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline Asana projects with bundles. By the end, you'll know how to set up a reusable workflow once, roll it out to other projects, and keep everything updated from a single place. Start by opening Asana and heading to a project that already follows a repeatable workflow. This should be a reliable example of how your team likes to work. Think consistent sections, the same custom fields, and predictable task patterns. Using a solid model ensures the bundle you create will be helpful everywhere else you apply it. With the project open, click Customize in the top right corner to open the Settings panel. In that panel, look for the Bundles area. This is where Asana lets you package up the building blocks of your workflow so you can reuse them. If you manage multiple teams or workspaces, just confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Now create or apply a bundle. If you're capturing the setup from this project, choose to create a new bundle. Give it a clear name and description so teammates know exactly what it includes. Asana will let you bundle your fields, rules, sections, and task templates. Fields are those drop downs or numbers you use to track status and effort. Rules automate routine actions like moving a task when its status changes. Sections organize your board or list, and task templates save repeatable task structures. Review the summary so you know what will be included, then save. If you already have a bundle you want to use, simply apply it instead. Asana will preview what's about to be added to the project so you can confirm you're getting the right fields, rules, sections, and templates without overwriting important existing details. Next, add the bundle to other projects that need the same workflow setup. Open each target project, go to Customize, find Bundles, and apply the bundle you just created. Asana will import the structure for you. This doesn't delete tasks. It layers on the standardized framework. So every team works the same way. When you want changes to apply across connected projects, update the bundle. Open the bundle from your source project or the bundles library. Adjust fields, rules, sections, or task templates, and publish the update. Asana will prompt you to push changes to all linked projects, which keeps everything aligned without manual rework. Be thoughtful with edits that remove fields or rules. Review the impact before publishing. That's it. Your workflow is now standardized, scalable, and easy to maintain across projects with Asana Bundles.